Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to make a Tesla coil. This was invented by Nikola Tesla and he intended to make a wireless transmission. Let me just show you. This is a CFL bulb and as you can see there is no connection made with it, and as I take it near it glows. Now I'll show you how to make this Tesla coil. So first take a thin copper wire and wind it around a PVC pipe to make the secondary coil. Then tape this coil in order to make sure that you don't get any current from it. Now just attach it on a wooden base. I am attaching it with glue gun. You can also use araldite. Now I am using this transistor 2N2222A and soldering on the terminals of the transistor and the end of the copper wire in order to make sure that it solders easily to the components. Now I have just glued the transistor to the base. I have made the primary coil with a thick copper wire and I have wound it around the PVC pipe around 5 to 6 times. Now I'll just put this primary coil inside the tube. I'm going to solder on 3 points, 2 of its ends and 1 point on the middle to attach the resistor to it. Now I am taking a wire and soldering one end of it to the primary coil and other end to the collector. Now just glue the primary coil and the wire externally connected to this board. Just cleaning a bit up. Okay, so now I am soldering the 22 kilo ohm resistor to the base of the transistor and to the primary coil. Also attach the lower end of the secondary coil to the base of the transistor. Be careful as the parts that you have just soldered are very warm. Now just glue up the screw head at the top of the secondary coil to make the torus. Now I'm just winding the extra wire of the secondary coil on the top. Okay, so now we just have to connect the power supply. I'm adding a bit of flux so that it gets soldered easily. Now I'm attaching the negative terminal of the power supply to the emitter and the positive terminal to the primary coil, which is also connected to the resistor. Now our work is done, but just make sure that the 3 terminals of the transistor do not touch with each other. So now let's test it. As you can see, this bulb is a CFL bulb and its terminals are not connected to any wire, but as we take it near the Tesla coil, it glows, and even when we take it away, it retains a bit of its glow. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.